Samsung's IntensiveWash dishwasher. It kills 99.9% food germs and uses triple rinse, hygienic rinsing and 70-degree hot water washing to keep dishes clean and safe to use. It also has different wash programs based on your need, including a delicate cycle that can be used for baby bottles and glassware. It is so easy to use that I ended up saving tons of time and energy, which I get to spend with my son instead. The Samsung Intensive Dishwasher is by far our favorite addition to our kitchen. Bring one home for your family too. You can check the link in my bio.